Satsakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
As instructed by her son, Devhuti also began to practice Bhakti Yoga in that very ashrama. She practiced samadhi in the house of Kardam Muni, which was so beautifully decorated with flowers that it was considered the flower crown of the river Sarasvati. Devhuti did not leave her house, because it is never recommended for a woman to leave her home. She is dependent. The very example of Devhuti was that when she was not married, she was under the care of her father, Swayambhuva Manu, and then Swayambhuva Manu gave her to Kardam Muni in charity. She was under the care of her husband in her youth, and then her son, Kapil Muni, was born. As soon as her son grew up, her husband left home, and similarly the son, after discharging his duty towards his mother, also left. She could also have left home, but she did not. Rather, she remained at home and began to practice Bhakti Yoga as it was instructed by her great son, Kapil Muni, and because of her practice of Bhakti Yoga, the entire home became just like a flower crown on the river Sarasvati.